Welcome back to How to Food. Today I'll be tackling a Wendy's Baconator challenge, and we're going to be using our smoked bacon that we did in the previous video. So stick around and see how we make an amazing Wendy's Baconator, but better. This is some thick cut bacon. So basically, just take your smoked bacon, heat the oven to 200 degrees, put it on a rack, a wire rack, and then 20 minutes, crispy bacon. I mean, come on Wendy's. While we're waiting for this in the oven, we'll be prepping with our beef mince we're gonna make. I'm gonna use a mix of shortrib, chuck, and brisket, and also I might put a sneaky piece of bacon or two in there as well. Alright, so bacon is in the oven. Let's prep our beef. This is short rib, chuck, and brisket. It's a good combination to use the three of these. You can also just only use chuck. You can use chuck and brisket only. It doesn't really matter. I just like the combination of the fat and the flavor the three give me together. So cut it into small blocks, about 3-4 centimeters in size. Put it in the fridge to firm up. It makes the life of your grinder a lot easier. Let's start. You'll see some of the pieces have got big pieces of fat in it. You want to judge it about 20% fat to 80% meat. So you cut off if you think you've got too much. There you have it, cut it up, and now we're going to place it in the fridge for about 30 minutes just so it firms up a bit. Makes it much easier to grind. Alright, it's firmed up in the fridge, now it's time to grind it. I'm going to add a little bit of bacon into the patties as well. Surprise. We'll add these two pieces along. Here's your freshly ground beef with a little bit of bacon. I'm going to try and make 110 gram patties more or less, and we're going to be making a double burger. That's it. Now we're going to just form it into a patty. That's quite simple. Parchment on top of it. There's one. There's two. Getting to the fun part. Let's cook these bad boys. We're just going to place the patties into a very hot cast iron skillet. Flip it. Put cheese on it. Double it up. And that's it. Wendy's Baconator, guys. Double cheeseburger with smoked bacon. I mean, it doesn't get much better than this. If you like this content, please remember to like and subscribe. And The smoked bacon video will be on the right hand side of the screen. So, I mean, let's get real.